Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In this short video I'm gonna walk you guys step by step on how to change language on Samsung Galaxy A20. As you can see in this video, you're gonna learn how to change languages. In this case, this Samsung Galaxy come with Spanish language, so it's in Spanish. As you can see, everything here is in Spanish. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you step by step how to change it to any language. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button for more of my video. And without further ado, let's get started. So first thing, you want to swipe it up and go to settings. From settings, you search for these three lines right here. Just search for anyone that have the three lines that you're seeing right here. The three lines, right? So once you see that, you click on it. It says something like administration general or whatever language. You can read the language, just search for the three straight lines that you can, as you can see on the screen. Let me zoom it. The three straight line. Oh, sorry about that. Three straight line, as you can see, this one right here. Good. You click on it. Take the first one, and the first one again. There you go. You see English United States. Alright, we have English United States and Espanol. And if you want to add more languages, you can just click on the add icon right here. They have a lot of different languages, so depending on which language that you speak or the person, alright. So we just want to put it in English, just click on English and apply. There you go. This is in English. That's it. So thanks for watching the video, and hit the notification button, give me a thumbs up to like the video. See you on my next video.